No search warrant suppressed evidence. Young Thug hearings.
Search and seizure of this particular item.
If I may, the distinction is that there was a good faith basis for obtaining the search warrant. And
about him renting a car in Big Nuts.
You got to be in the right place and space to begin with to have the authority to search the house to begin with. Is it fair to Mr. Williams for you to have another bite at the apple? We don't want the state to go ahead and continue to keep investigating an individual based on evidence that a court has suppressed. So that's kind of where I am.